All right, welcome back to this week's What Is It Wednesday. I'm here today with Luis, our painter, and he's going to kind of give us a process of what it takes for each of our rawhide corrals to come out looking like the final product. So, Luis, thank you for joining us. Give us kind of the process the corrals go through.
Okay, everything is started. After it's get down for the shot, we send it to the wash area, and we make sure before we wash it, we go around and check for BBs and rust. And after that's wash it, we dry it before we put it inside the boot.
And in the wash process, you said that they get degreased and sanitized?
Degreased and sanitized. When everything is dry, we put inside the boot and we do the primer first. And we let it set for like 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Make sure the primer is dry. So then we proceed the painting, and this is how the process comes.
And so it's all contained in this paint booth.
Yeah.
And it's electrostatic.
And we use the electrostatic.
Yep. So it kind of just sucks the paint to it.
Suck the paint to the metal.
So we were talking earlier, we're one of the only corrals that actually primes.
Yes.
And it's a huge difference in priming.
There's a lot of difference.
Yeah. And we were down in Texas at CattleCon in San Antonio, and that was one of the comments we got from people coming by was how much better our paint job was than the competitors, and they could tell that we were priming. So your work does not go unnoticed.
See?
Your work is noticed.
That's good.
Yeah. So we appreciate it. So that's Luis, and like I said, he's our painter. And Luis, how long have you been with Rawhide?
3 years.
3 years. All right. Been a good experience.
Really good experience.
Yeah, working with John.
Working with John, that's pretty fun.
I know. And Mary, she's not so bad either.
No, it's pretty good. Really good people.
They are. Well, we appreciate you here, and thank you for taking the time to visit with me.
Thank you.
All right.